What's up guys, Metal Maverick here. Today I want to talk about Milwaukee's M12 2-inch die grinder. Now I've had this for about 6 months and I've really put it through its paces with my everyday welding and fabrication projects. And it does have some pros and cons, so let's go over those real quick. Alright, for starters, this thing is a battery hog. So these little 2 amp hour batteries, don't even bother with those. They don't get you very far. So get yourself either a 4 or 6 amp hour battery, and that usually gets me through my projects. Another thing is it's a 2-inch die grinder. So putting these 3-inch roll locks on it, it does it, but it's you most of the time you're hitting the overload protection, and you just gotta sit there and wait for it to reset. So get yourself some 2-inch roll locks and it does just fine. I just got really one big con on this, and that's this trigger safety lock. I felt like they could have done a better job at engineering that. There's been a couple times where I've grabbed it and tried to slide it up and it kind of got hung up because I was squeezing before I slid the safety up. So I think if they were to ever come out with a newer version, or maybe even a 3-inch Milwaukee, hint maybe redo this, that would be awesome. So let's talk about how versatile this thing is. It's a 1/4-inch collet, so I've used a lot of different tools on it, or tooling, sorry. I've used wire wheels, flapper discs, cutoff wheel, even used a carbide deburring tool and had pretty successful results with all those. So let's get into, I'll grab a piece of scrap steel and I'll show you the difference between, using a 3-inch roll lock and a 2-inch roll lock. All right, I'm going to get started with the 3-inch roll lock so you guys can see the difference between the 2 and the 3-inch. I have a nice rusty piece of receiver stock that we'll practice with. We're gonna use the 6 amp hour battery, fully charged, on speed 4. Pop that in here real quick. Milwaukee does send you a 1/2 inch and 11/16 wrench. Take these on and off. Alright, let's send it. Alright, that's that overload protection. I wasn't applying a lot of pressure at all. Like I said, those 3-inch, you can get by in a pinch, but you're constantly hitting that overload. So let's put the 2-inch roll lock in it and I'll show you the difference. Fresh side. All right, ready? You can almost hear the difference of how much more powerful it is with the 2-inch over the 3-inch. So I'm gonna throw a cutoff wheel in it and I'll show you what the difference that thing can do. Now we're just going to make a quick cut into this to show you what I can do with the cutoff wheel. not bad. Yeah, does a pretty good job with the cutoff wheel. What else can I show you guys? I think I'm going to show you the wire wheel next and how well it does. Just give me a second. Grab a piece of scrap steel. There you go. Got the wire wheel in already. Alright, let's see her rip. Does a pretty good job. That was only at half throttle. Alright, so my honest opinion on this is I absolutely love it. I find myself reaching to grab this over my air tools more and more. Mainly because I'm tired of listening to the compressor run. You know, when this thing gets low, I throw a new battery in it, she's good to go. I don't gotta wait for the compressor to fill back up. If you guys have any questions about it, feel free to throw them down in the comment section. I'll answer them as soon as I can. And go and get yourself one. They're amazing. Talk to you later, guys.